In 5th grade, we tried new curriculum as supplements. Did not replace our core curriculum, but it just added to our homeschool. And today I want to share with you 3 of our very favorite new curriculum that we tried in 5th grade. My qualifications for this were 1, we had never tried it before. 5th grade was our very first year. 2, we loved it. And 3, we would definitely use it again. However, I want to let you know we will not use these as our core curricula in any subject. These will continue to be supplements for our homeschool, and we will be using them again. So what were our brand new curricula favorites that we tried in 5th grade? Here we go. Number 1 was Where'd You Learn That Homeschool? We utilized their song studies and loved it. The Where'd You Learn That United States Song Study Collection includes lessons for America the Beautiful, My Country 'Tis of Thee, and then God Bless America. For each song, you have approximately 5 lessons. Each lesson is very short and very doable. This just comes as a PDF that you can download. They are about $4 a piece, I believe, and you will have the song, and then for each lesson you read through a stanza. You can sing it. We just listened to it on YouTube each time, and then understand it. This was one of my daughter's favorite parts of this curriculum, is the understand it, where we talked about the history behind it as well as what some of the stanza meant. And it truly is understand it, understand the song, understand why it was written, understand what it means. And it was a great portion, this understand it. Then review it has to do with vocabulary, and then talk about it is just more of an interaction. Sometimes it asks some questions, and then you can have your review it, and this is normally some type of work to do. But you can see each lesson is relatively short. We started with the United States Collection Song Study, and we really loved it. We continued on with the nature hymns, and we will be continuing with these song studies in 6th grade. Number 2 is Campfire Curriculum. We did in the season of Thanksgiving this year, and it was wonderful. We really enjoyed it. And so then we also did their resurrection unit with Campfire Curriculums. This is a PDF download that you can print out yourself, and they give you some very detailed instructions as to how it works and what is expected. Really encourage you to check out my friend Ashlea's channel at Home Sweet Homeschool. She has quite a bit of information about Campfire Curriculums, and I'll make sure I'll link her channel down below. And over the summer, we are planning on doing one of their non-seasonal units. So that will be our first Campfire Curriculum that is not a seasonal unit, and we're really looking forward to it. Number 3 is Moving Beyond the Page. We did Mrs. Frisbee and the Rats of Nim literature study with Moving Beyond the Page, and it was a huge hit. I love the fact that we were able to incorporate so many different pieces with this. We did science and language and writing and reading comprehension, arguments, defending your arguments. There were just so many great parts of Moving Beyond the Page literature study that we really enjoyed. So we will definitely make sure that we include them again as supplements in our 6th grade year. If you are interested in some of our other favorites from 5th grade, and these were the favorite supplements that we found for each subject, please click here.